Welcome to the Home Design Studio. Today we will discuss about modern rustic interior design. Modern rustic interior design is a style that combines the warmth and charm of rustic elements with the clean lines and contemporary aesthetics of modern design. It is a popular choice for those seeking a balance between traditional and contemporary styles, creating a cozy and inviting atmosphere with a touch of sophistication. This design approach brings together natural materials, earthy colors, and a mix of textures to create a unique and visually appealing space. Materials play a critical role in modern rustic interior design. Wood is a key element often used for flooring, ceiling beams, furniture, and even a central wall. Reclaimed or distressed wood is particularly favored as it adds character and a sense of history to the space. Stone and brick are also commonly incorporated either in the raw form or textured finish on walls or free place surrounds. These materials create a strong connection to nature and bring a sense of authenticity to the design. Color plates in modern rustic design are inspired by nature, emphasizes earthy tones and warmth naturals. Shades of brown and grey are commonly used as base colors, while accents of deep greens, burnt ornates, and muted blues can be added for visual contrast. These colors contribute to the cozy and organic feel of the space, evoking a sense of tranquility and harmony. Furniture and decor in modern rustic design are typically a blend of rustic and contemporary styles. The furniture is often characterized by clean lines and simples with a focus on comfort. Off-roasted pieces are usually in natural fabrics such as linen or cotton, while leather can be incorporated for a more rugged look. Mixing furniture pieces made from different materials such as wood, metal, and off-roasted pieces creates a visually dynamic and electric feel. In terms of decor, modern rustic design embraces a creature and collected aesthetic. Natural elements like plants, dried flowers, and woven baskets bring life and texture to the space. Accessories and artwork with a handmade or vintage quality such as pottery, folk-inspired textiles, and antique pieces further enhance the rustic charm. Lighting is also essential and can be achieved through a combination of natural light, large window, and the use of ambient and tasked lighting fixtures that reflect the overall design theme. Open floor plans are often favored in modern rustic design to create a sense of spaciousness and flow. This layout allows for easy movement between different areas while maintaining a cohesive design. However, similar spaces can also benefit from this style as the warm and welcoming atmosphere can make a room feel cozy and intimate. Modern rustic interior design with an open floor plan combines the warmth and charm of rustic elements with the clean lines and contemporary features of modern design. An open floor plan is a key component that enhances the overall aesthetic and functionality of such spaces. This design concept focuses on maximizing the flow of light and space, creating a seamless transition between different areas within the home. An open floor plan refers to a layout that removes barriers like walls and partitions, allowing different living space to blend together. Commonly, it merges the kitchen, dining area, and living room to form a cohesive multifunctional space. This configuration encourages social integration and enhances the feeling of spaciousness. The modern rustic interior design relies heavily on the use of natural materials such as wood, stone, and metal. These elements infuses the space with warmth and texture, bring a sense of nature indoors. Exposed wooden beams, reclaimed wood, flooring, and stone Clearly walls are excellent choices for creating an authentic rustic atmosphere. Modern rustic open floor plans. The kitchen takes center stage, incorporating the kitchen with the living and dining areas, allows for easy integration while cooking and entertaining. A large kitchen clad with a wooden or stone countertop can serve as both a cooking and dining space, adding functionality and style. Lighting plays a critical role in modern rustic design. In captivate's statement, light fixtures made from materials like wrought iron, distressed metal, or wood to add character and visual interest. Pendant lights can serve as focal points in the open space. Overall, modern rustic interior design strikes a balance between the simplicity and functionality of modern design and the warmth and authenticity of rustic elements. It celebrates the beauty of natural materials, earthy colors, and a mix of textures, creating a space that is inviting, timeless, and full of character.